on the ARP head studs that finally came in. As soon as I get my glove on my fingers, we can start. I already cleaned the cylinder head and the surface on the block. I cleaned it really good. Let me go ahead and cut this open with a pair of scissors. I'll use my razor blade. Give me 1 second here. I usually put the moly lube on with like a paintbrush, but I don't have one right now. So I just got a little hole on it, and I'll just use my finger and then take the gloves off. So you get two very long studs with your kit, okay? They go right here, straight in the middle of the block if you have a non-VTEC. If you have a VTEC, all your head studs will be the same size. If you have a b18, they'll all be the same size. If you have a GSR, they'll all be the same size. Alright. So I'm going to start with these two. I'm going to lube the bottom threads that go into the block. A little bit on here. ARP recommends 80 foot-pounds. I'm going to take mine to 90 foot-pounds because I've had good success with them at 90. So I'm going to take these to 90 in 3 equal steps. So I'm going to do 30. Pardon me. I'm going to do 30, 60, and then 90. 3 equal steps. They want you to do 3 equal steps to 80, but I'm taking it straight to 90. You're supposed to torque these down in the cylinder, or into the block, I'm sorry. You're supposed to torque these into the block, but I don't have any way of reading torque with the Allen wrench. I could probably get a kit, like a socket kit that, okay, it's all the way at the bottom. Snug it up. That's good. Go over here to this other stud. A lot of people don't put this on the bottom threads. They only put it on the top. I put it on both. There it's at the bottom. It's about to bottom out right. No, I thought it was at the bottom. I wasn't. Now I am. Snug that in there. Okay, on to all the short studs. I'm probably going to stop talking now and time lapse this because it's repetitive. And I doubt anybody wants to see and watch me do this. guys, I just wiped everything down. I gotta wipe the cylinder head. It's a cheap head gasket, but I'm not even gonna lie to you. I've been running a cheap head gasket since I've had my Honda. A multi-layered steel. I think it was like 50 bucks. Anyways, the head gasket, I mean, they pop after a lot of abuse, but they hang in there. I mean, I can't say it's because they're cheaply made, that's for sure. So anyways, let me show you how to open one of these, if you don't know. You kind of struggle in here. You don't want to touch the face of it with your hands and get it all greasy and dirty and contaminated. I don't know why they double bagged it, but okay. Thanks whoever did that. Usually they're in the seal and then one bag, not two. That's alright. I'm going to grab it in between the cylinders, like that. What I tend to do is I grab it like that, but I grab it in like this. I line everything up, drop it down. The dowel pins ain't in there right now, so I gotta remember to get them in there. When I put the cylinder head on, we'll wipe the cylinder head off and get it on the block. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take each washer and cook the underside and backside and drop it down on each stud. So do that to all 10 studs quick. Give me 1 minute. It's going to get hella messy. Okay, whatever. Thank you. Just making sure all the washers are pushed down. Okay, I got an extra washer. That's weird, but whatever. I know I just said that again, but take your ARP fastener, put a little glob in there, spin it on there, spin her back, lift it, push it back, one of the sides. Make sure you get the face of the bolt. That's a important step. Even though you got the top of the washer, you still want to get the top of that stud. Yeah, guys, I got a good ways done. Got it timed. Got the head on. Got the valve lash done. You can see it's timed. Timing belt's on. All the belt stuff's done. Just got the intake up here. It's hand tight right now. I'm letting the RTV set up. Got the fitting put on for my feed. Got my distributor put on. I got to get the harness put on. I'm going to get the turbo manifold put on tonight, lower it down, put the transmission on, well, the flywheel and the clutch, and then the transmission. Got to get my starter back on the transmission. I'm not too far off from getting it in the car. I'll probably have it in the car and start it tomorrow, guys. Bear with me.
That's what they call roads built.
That's right. Yeah, it looks like it did. It stripped it out. I don't know. I don't know what size. It's an M12. I don't know if I have a Healy tool that size. I might just have to drill and tap that part. Yep, okay. Well, that's where we're stopping tonight, guys. Sorry. Well, I probably won't even post this fucking video.